Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a credit card with Airbnb. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a new credit card and you want to use it with Airbnb. How do you actually go ahead and connect a new credit card with Airbnb? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is first you're going to click on Airbnb, and then from here you want to click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Next you want to click on Payments and Payouts located underneath Settings, and then from here you want to click on Payment Methods. After you click on Payment Methods, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Add Payment Method. After you click on Add Payment Method, you're just going to click on Credit or Debit Card. So from here you're going to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, zip code, and country/region, and then click on Done. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect a credit card with Airbnb. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.